Bullish FTX token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.75 and $10.34 by 2030. Market examiners accept FTT could reach $4.75 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2022 is 84 cents. FTX token presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Chain Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The engineers of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subordinates, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto estimate trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Fried, the director of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishad Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by merchants, for dealers, subsequent to laying out Lambda Exploration, a digital currency quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on modern exchanging component for mind-boggling items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds digital money. The liberal organizer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging expenses to noble cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for compelling philanthropy. SBF is a notable player in the digital currency industry with more than 290 Kelvin devotees on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX environments is called FTX token, and it very well might be utilized as guarantee for Fate's position, to acquire refunds on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and Fate's exchanging are completely presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized investigation. The effective amount requested on variances in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination devices. It works under the assumption that, when joined with reasonable money management or managing rules, authentic exchanging action and cost increments of safety can act as important indicators of future security costs. It can significantly improve the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is oftentimes used to produce momentary exchanging signals utilizing different outlining instruments. Examiners can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Marks of digital money in view of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary forms, utilizing the vital pointers recorded underneath. Anyone with any interest at all in specialized examination can analyze the most exorbitant cost, market cap, normal value, the most elevated esteem, FTX cost gauge, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the header cost figure, normal directional file. Assign areas of strength for of that checks of patterns power and energy is the typical directional file, contingent upon the course of the typical value. The pattern is remembered to have huge directional strength when the ADX is well over 40. The stochastic marker. The stochastic offers experts a one-of-a-kind method for distinguishing cost vacillations by working out the distance between the ongoing map book esteem and the most profound low over the past X time frame. Then, at that point, this length is parted by the hole between the most minimal cost and the greatest expense during a similar time span. The line, %K, is first changed into the moving normal, %D, which is then projected on the rate K stablecoins and fiat on FTX. Managing in fiat is permitted on FTX. You can bargain in the US dollar, Canadian dollar, English pound authentic, and Japanese yen on FTX. The US dollar sign is presently the most exchanged government-issued money on the FTX trade, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1.5 billion. FTX upholds a few altcoins, like multi-guarantee DAI, Brazilian Savvy token, and Thai Gold. On FTX, Thai is the most generally utilized stablecoin. FTX token current cost. FTX token is at present worth $1.06 USD. FTT has moved 3.70% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,114,781. FTX token is at present position 212 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $347,117,574 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for FTX token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. FTX token value forecast 2022. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The FTT cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.58. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.48 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $1.27. FTX token value expectation 2023. In 2023, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $2.64. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the FTT's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.11 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.32. FTX token value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.69 and FTT might benefit on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.38 and a low of $3.17 in 2024. FTX token value forecast 2025. On the off chance that FTX token effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2025. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.75, with a base cost of $4.22 and a typical cost of $4.43. FTX token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the FTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.49 by 2026, with a base cost of $5.28 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, FTT has a greatest value worth of $5.80. FTX token value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.54. In the event that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.86. Neglecting to assemble the help FTT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6.33. FTX token value forecast 2028. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7.39 and a yearly cost close above $7.92 in 2028. FTX